So what's up guys, it's me Jimmy Geek. So I'm coming to Rwanda, Africa by the Ethiopian airline. Yes, the Ethiopian 673 airline. This airline will be going to Ethiopia at this bus, and then I need to take the another airline against the same Ethiopian airline to Kigali. Finally the day had arrived. I'm going to Africa. As you can see with my luggage, I'm really very much excited. So now I'm at the check-in counter because I need to drop my baggage and then check in. I'm a little bit late to be honest with you. Yeah, that's all because when I check in, I'm going to turn on my laptop and then get a little bit work done because it's going to be a long flight. I need to change the flight from the Ethiopia to Kigali. So yeah, I will be continue updating you.